Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. Today is an exciting day because we receive a package from our friend from ParKoo Shops, and we're going to open this one. Do you have any idea what's inside the package? If you have any guesses, comment below and we'll find out at the end of the video if you are correct with that. So let's check this out. Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California, and today we're going to have an unboxing again from our friends from ParKoo, and we're going to review what's inside the package. So, are you ready for that? You haven't subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Push the notification button so you will be informed of the exciting videos that I'm going to put up for you guys. Anyway, so this one is a ParKoo product that we're going to review, and then let's see what's inside the package. So so our friends from ParKoo Shops sent us pens. This one is going to be pens for our agenda. So let's see if how is this gonna work for our agenda. And this one is an erasable gel pen. So which is really exciting because that's why I'm kind of like, oh, okay, I really like that one. And let's check this out. So this is the ParKoo pens, and they do have several colors to choose from. There's like 2, 4, 6, 7 colors. So there you go. And then it's a clicker pen. So let's try this. So there you go. It's a clicker pen. So you're just going to press that down and up. And then the exciting thing about this one, I'm going to change the view of the camera later, but it says here that this is refillable and retractable, and then it says here that there's a color black, blue, red, green, purple, turquoise, pink. You can write, remove, rewrite without damaging the document, so which is really nice. And then it's a thermo-sensitive. What is thermosensitive? We're going to look for, and we're going to test all these pens so that you will see if it is effective, if it is nice, if it is gonna work for you guys or not, and stuff like that. And then it disappears with the friction using the rubber pens. This one is an erasable gel pen. So on top of this one, it does have, so this is the, so that one on top of that, that's the eraser. So we'll find out if how effective these are for on our agenda. So here we are. We move the camera around, and then look at these gorgeous colors. I love blue and purple and red and yellow, everything. There's no yellow on this one, but yeah, right? Okay, so now we'll test this out on our really nice one. I made a video on this one on my IGTV, so you can check that out. Okay, so we'll just gonna go. So this one is my dashboard that I got from Lax Craft World on Etsy, and I made a video of that. And the one for my agenda PM, uh, this one. This one is from them, and you can customize that one, the color and the name across it. So this is the baby shark, and this is the mother shark. So let's see how wonderful it is. So today is March. So there you go. There's March. And then I'm going to put on this one. Let's try this. Let's try the green one so that it's going to be like really out there. So what we're going to do is, and then they do have the thing on the bottom part of it. But anyways, so today, let's do Saturday. Saturday we'll just have film day. So it's a gel pen, film day. There you go. But then, for example, you made a mistake. Let's see. Let's make it colorful. So let's see. So on a Sunday, what I usually do is upload my video on a Sunday. Upload video. Uh-oh, there's wrong spellings. Let's see if we can erase down with this one. Voila! Wow, that's amazing. I can really erase everything with this one. Wow, this is interesting. You can still see the impression of that, but it's I totally able to erase it. So now let's put on upload video on a Sunday. There you go. This is interesting because you can really erase it, and you can really see it. Let's see the one that you were saying that this is a thermo-sensitive ink. So I'm going to erase this. So I'll take it out. I'm gonna erase all this. Let's see. There you go. It's all gone. It's all gone now. You can really see a little the impression, I should say, of the one that we wrote down. But anyways, all the inks are going to do that anyways. So now they said that this is a thermal sensitive, so it does work. It comes back, I think, when you put this one on the fridge. So let's do that. So we're going to do that there for a little bit. Probably we will put that one there for like 1 to 2 minutes, and let's see how's that gonna work. Let's check this out if it will come back. Whoa, it's there. What? Of course, we smudged the upload video because we were playing with it. But what? Oh my god, this is crazy. So now you can, let me close that. So now you can really create a note that you can erase it, and then the secret notes that you will have for your lover and stuff like that, and then it is really a thermo sensitive. So what? This is crazy. I really like this one. So, what are you waiting for? This one, you can find this one on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below about this product. So, this one is a product that was sent to me by my friends from ParKoo. Wow, that was amazing. We erased this one already, and now it showed up again. So yeah, so it says here that so I'm reading from behind the erasable Gen Pen package that it says here it's not recommended for signatures, examination papers, or official documents. Of course, because you can really erase it. So that's kind of like a no-brainer right there. If pen is exposed to extreme temperature, less than greater than 60 degrees Celsius, the ink will disappear. Oh, that's kind of like interesting, right? If you want to create a secret notes for your lover or for your secret admirer and stuff like that, excuse me, you can use this particular pen. This is your wonderful pen right here because it works. Anyway, if the pen is exposed, yeah, to restore color, cool it to at least negative 10 degrees Celsius in freezer, and then the ink will reappear like what we showed you. It reappeared in there, and then use hair dryer also to make the color disappear if coloring on the fabric products or wallpaper. So I guess you can use this one for fabric products and then wallpaper, but I haven't done that. So see it for yourself if that one is effective or not. And then it says here that smooth writing gel ink. It's really a smooth gel ink. So yeah, when you write things with this one, it's really nice and it's really smooth. I see that. It's water based, non-toxic, acid-free, and non-bleeding. So which is good because, and then it says here too that um, it has the thermo-sensitive ink that I was telling you guys, and it was amazing. It was crazy. It was like when we erased it, and then when we put down in the freezer, and then voila, it came back just like that. So it without residue or no tearing of the paper, which is really cool because that's what had happened on my paper. And then so yeah, this is a really cool pen to give and to use for my agendas. So I will definitely use this one, and not only for my agendas, I will use this one for my school, my documents and stuff. Of course, not legal documents and examination paper, according to this one. So, what are you waiting for? How are you going to get this one? I'm going to link them below. You can get this one on Amazon. It's called Erasable Gel Pen. There you go, the Erasable Gel Pen. So you can get this one, and then yeah, I don't have any codes for you guys. So yeah, this is about like less than $10. $10 for 7 erasable gel pen. What are you waiting for? So check them out. I'm going to link down below. And so yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. My heart is filled every time I unbox things for you guys because I know that you're watching. So thank you very much. I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Bye. And thank you very much for and thank you very much for supporting me all the way. And you are the reason why I'm doing this unboxings. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.